Nanjing Zennison is a professional company that is concerned with design, development, and production of military, police, and outdoor traveling products, such as Wubi hoodie, jacket, tactical plate carrier, body armor vest, helmet and plate, military backpacks and vest, sleeping bags, uniforms, poncho liner, raincoat, mess tin, canteen and cups, tent, etc. Nanjing Zennison Outdoor mainly offer OEM production service of materials, patterns, colors, styles, and logo, etc., also including ODM production. We are located in Nanjing City. There are more than 200 workers in our factory, including 30 technicians that all have experience over than 10 years in this field. Our products comply with international quality standards and are greatly appreciated in a variety of different markets. We have gained various of quality certificate system, ballistic testing report, and product quality test report which are necessary. Since 2006, we have exported to United States, Canada, Italy, United Kingdom, France, Argentina, Chile, and many countries in Middle East and Africa, have established a very good trust and solid business relations with many customers all over the world. We comply with the international practice, the spirit of equality and mutual benefit as always. Welcome your visiting to our factory and look forward to meeting with you for establishing a long-term business relationship. Let's work together for a win-win tomorrow.